I'm Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and I know you are ready for a little luxury travel. How about a small Class C RV built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis? This is the one. This is the 2024 4 Winds 24 LT Sprinter. The 24 LT in this video has all the makings for a great vacation. But you may want a different floor plan or different features than the 24 LT offers. So to make sure you get the 4 Winds right for you, visit your local Thor Motor Coach dealer or build your own at thormotorcoach.com. The great look you see here is new for 2024. It's called Venice Stone, and it is paired up with the Coastline Gray cabinets. As you can see already, this has all the goodies on board for amazing vacations. Something everyone coming along needs, though: a place to sit and a place to sleep. The 24 LT has seatbelts and sleeping for a family of 4. Now, 2 of those seatbelts are going to be right here in the booth dinette, which is where we also find wireless charging and cup holders, which are built right in for the drive. And what I love about the dinette is its adaptability. From dinner to dreaming, this is your table, and it quickly makes into a bed. Another well-rounded place you can park it, right here. This sofa. As you'd expect, this is great for lounging, for socializing, or even watching TV. Then when you're ready to wind down the day, just move the cushions and pull down the queen-size Murphy bed. And here's one of my favorite parts: it's already made up. This is going to be the perfect combo of comfort and convenience. There's a place here to charge your phone, whether you are in bed mode or in sofa mode. And you can store the extra blankets and pillows right up top in the 3 cabinets above. We said sleeping for 4, and your other place to catch some Z's right up here in the overhead bunk. And if you're up here, you're going to love this great little place to stash and charge your gadgets. Then underneath the bunk, when you need a few more seats to entertain, the driver and passenger seats swivel. Your kitchen is going to be campside in the 24 LT, and it has all the galley gadgets you need for great meals. Cooking and baking is handled with the 3-burner gas cooktop or the convection microwave with an air fryer button. There's a single bowl sink with a cover, and you are going to love this pop-up outlet. Right now we got this 12-volt fridge loaded, and with the 12-volt fridge you're going to get an auto gen start for the 4,000-watt generator, so your ice cream will never melt. The storage in the kitchen is awesome because there are plenty of cabinets and drawers for everything you need. Plus, this 4 Winds has a pantry big enough for your pots and pans and appliances. In between the kitchen cabinets, the 24 LT features this smart TV, and it's on a swing out, so you can grab the perfect viewing angle from any seat in the house. And since it's a smart TV, all your favorite streaming apps are built in, so once you connect to the WineGuard Connect 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you can watch all your favorite shows and movies. Here's another standout feature of the 24 LT, this rear bath. It is all the comforts of home in a compact space. Your sink, a large medicine cabinet, the foot flush toilet, the printed shower surround, and the 24 LT features tankless hot water. And you can keep all your favorite shirts in the large closet back here as well. Moving up front, under the hood, a highly efficient Mercedes turbo diesel engine. The transmission is geared for a comfortable, fuel-efficient trip, and there are even paddle shifters when you want to take control. When you're in the driver's seat, you are going to ride in style all year round because these are heated memory seats. You even have heated remote mirrors. On each side of the steering wheel, you'll find a button or touchpad for everything. From adaptive cruise control, maintenance, trip meters, all your vitals are right here. Set up the Bluetooth for hands-free calls. We even have controls for the voice-activated infotainment center. And this does everything you want it to. There's navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. There's wireless charging right up top here on the dash. And if you are towing on that 5,000-pound hitch, you have a clear view of what's behind you in this large rearview mirror. The 24 LT makes the perfect co-pilot when your person falls asleep on the road trip. Here's what's working for you in the background: active braking assist, attention assist, active lane keeping assist. You even have a wet wiper system. So when you head out on your adventure, you're going to want to bring all your gear with you, right? Your grill, your chairs, whatever else it may be. Well, this particular 24LT has an occupant and cargo carrying capacity of 1,318 pounds. So let's open up the bays and walk around the exterior of this Four Winds. You got to love the way this looks. This is the deep sea partial paint. The 24LT makes setting up and all those other little things you need to do quick and easy so you can get out and enjoy your trip. Over here on the business end, we find all the camp connections. From water to shower to sewer, there's even a place to store that sewer hose. The tanks on the 24LT can hold 30 gallons of fresh water. There are 38 gallons of gray water and 38 gallons on the black tank. There are heating pads on the tanks, and you turn those on with this control panel located right by the entry door. While we're checking out the panel, there are a number of other controls here, like your generator start, check the tank levels, you're going to put your slide wall in or out from here, the water pump is here, your lights are here, and then stepping down below, this is where you're going to monitor the 100 watts of solar charging. So let's hop back out and show off the storage bays, which are perfect for holding all your outdoor essentials. We're set up now under the power awning. This is the perfect spot to kick back and unwind or just watch the world go by. The 24LT has an exterior propane connection, so make any place your own barbecue pit. Right here, this is how you do relaxing. So how about a little luxury travel in the 2024 Four Winds 24LT? When you are ready to build your own, visit thormotorcoach.com.